Welcome to Technoland Expart. The full structural markup for a dynamic, visually engaging tourism and travel agency website titled Tourist, Explore the World, designed to attract travelers and promote travel packages, tours, destinations, and blog content while offering user interactivity, visual aesthetics, and functional navigation, beginning with the document type declaration, doctype HTML. It defines the structure as a modern HTML5 document with language set to English, lang equals N, and within the head section. Essential metadata is defined to ensure cross-browser compatibility and responsive rendering, including UTF-8 encoding, meta charset equals UTF-8, compatibility mode for Internet Explorer, meta HTTP equiv equals XUA compatible content equals IE equals Edge, and viewport scaling for responsiveness, meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width. Initial scale equals 1.0. The title element sets the browser tab label as Tourist Explore the World, while the link rel equals shortcut icon ref equals ./favicon.svg. Type equals image/svg plus XML sets a small site icon visible on the browser tab. Styling is imported from an external CSS file located at /assets/css/style.css, which controls visual presentation, layout, responsiveness, colors, typography, spacing, and hover effects. The site pre-connects to Google Fonts servers for faster loading of fonts, importing the Abril Fatface, Comforter Brush, and Hebo font families to achieve a professional and visually appealing design that balances readability with branding aesthetics. The body section contains all user-facing content, beginning with the header element that serves as a responsive, sticky navigation bar holding the site logo, menu items, and booking button. The logo, represented as a clickable H1 element, displays Tourist linking back to the home page, providing instant brand recall. Alongside it is a hamburger toggle button class equals nav toggle btn data nav toggle btn aria label equals toggle menu that contains ion icons menu outline and close outline to visually represent the open/close states of the mobile navigation menu. Its functionality is handled by JavaScript in script.js using dataset attributes data nav toggle btn to toggle visibility of the menu in smaller screens. The nav element encapsulates the navbar containing an unordered list of navigation links such as Home, About Us, Tours, Destinations, Blog, and Contact Us, enabling users to explore different sections of the website. A call to action button booking. Now a ref equals hashtag class equals btn secondary is styled prominently to encourage conversion by taking visitors directly to a booking form or contact section. The main content of the site resides within main and article tags for semantic structure. Destinations section introduces users to global destinations, with subtitle destinations and heading Choose Your Place. This section features an unordered list of clickable destination cards, each linking to potential tour pages, displaying high-resolution destination images with lazy loading enabled to optimize performance. Each card consists of an image and textual content identifying the city and country including Malé, Maldives, Bangkok, Thailand, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kathmandu, Nepal, and Jakarta, Indonesia, showcasing the range of tours offered. Classes like W50 indicate layout proportions for responsiveness, allowing larger images to occupy half the screen width for visual balance. The next segment, Popular Tours section, highlights key travel packages under the heading Most Popular Tours, providing structured tour cards arranged in a list. Each card uses a consistent format comprising an image, card banner, a badge showing duration, pricing, from $50.00 inch, a 5-star rating system with ion icons, 4 filled stars and 1 outlined, and a descriptive quote linking to detailed tour information. An address tag marks the location. improving accessibility and SEO. This section aims to attract customers with affordable, high-quality tours while visually reinforcing trust and professionalism through uniform design. The About section follows. Building credibility with potential travelers by describing the company's values and offerings. It begins with subtitle About Us, title Explore All Tour of the World with Us, and a paragraph explaining the company's dedication to authentic travel experiences. 3 About items follow, each describing a core service: tour guide with a compass icon, friendly price briefcase icon, and reliable tour umbrella icon, each accompanied by brief descriptions highlighting dependability, affordability, and expertise. A Booking Now button below reinforces the conversion goal. An accompanying figure, About banner.png, visually complements the text, showing travel-related imagery. The blog section titled Latest News and Articles acts as the website's informational hub for travel updates, guides, and stories. It contains a list of blog cards, each structured with an image banner, date badge, author information, avatar image, named Johnny Bristow, and title admin, and a publication time, 10:30 a.m., blog titles link to detailed posts, and each card includes a read more link with an arrow icon, inviting further reading. Lazy loading and responsive design improve performance and adaptability. These blog entries enrich SEO, user engagement, and site credibility by sharing relevant, keyword-rich content. The website concludes with a comprehensive footer section, which serves as both a navigational and informational anchor, styled with a background image. It's divided into upper and lower parts. The footer top organizes multiple footer lists, each catering to a specific content type. The first list, Top Destination, provides quick access to popular locations such as Indonesia, Maldives, Australia, Thailand, and Morocco. The second, Categories, categorizes travel-related blog content into travel, lifestyle, fashion, education, and food and drink. The third, Quick Links, provides shortcuts to essential site sections like About, Contact, Tours, Booking, and Terms and Conditions. The final list contains a newsletter subscription form inviting users to enter their email and subscribe for travel deals and tips, encouraging user retention and marketing outreach. Below that, the footer bottom contains branding. Thanks for watching. I hope you have already followed our channel and contact us. We use to provide free business platform.